Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Meetup how to add a guest. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to add a guest in Meetup, what you need to do first is head over and then open up your Meetup app, and then be sure to be logged into your account as well. Now once you're logged into your account, what you need to do is tap on this explore option on the bottom center of the screen, then scroll down and then find the event that you are going. Let me just tap on this right here, and then once you tap on it here, what you need to do is, if you have already joined the event, then you'll be getting the event option that says edit RSV right here. Simply tap on that. Now in order to add guests, you'll be finding the guest option right here. Simply tap on the number of guests and then tap on update, and that's basically how you can do it. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.